Top dressing is carried out for many reasons, but we will be looking at top dressing in terms of smoothing and levelling the surface. The choice of material used for the dressing depends on your pitch soil type. Usually, the dressing material contains a high percentage of sand to assist with drainage. Always seek professional advice before buying material to ensure it is appropriate for your pitch and circumstances. Typically, the aim is to apply approximately 4 to 6 kilograms per metre squared per year. The amount will depend on the surface evenness, thatch levels, soil type and cost. Whether or not this is applied over several dressings or as one dressing at the end of the playing season often depends on the equipment available to you. It is important that the dressing is applied evenly and is brushed into the surface to avoid any grass being smothered. Checks should also be made to the implement. There is a wide variety of this type of equipment and each will vary. Ensure that the implement is correctly fitted to the tractor, and if a PTO drive is being used, then it is important that the PTO guards are in place. The top dresser will need to be calibrated. The setting required will differ depending on forward speed, swath width, application rate and the material being applied. Calibration should be carried out according to the manufacturer's instructions. Operate the equipment at the required speed and swath width to ensure even coverage. Make sure the implement is switched off at the end of each run prior to turning. It is unlikely that you will cover the entire pitch with one load, and so it's best not to run out of dressing in the middle of a pass. Check the amount of material that is in the hopper at the start of a pass, and if you don't think you will have enough material to finish, refill before you start. Once the whole surface is treated as required, clean down as needed and prepare for the next use.